Matrix multiplication is a fundamental skill for data science and graphics. You will learn the rules for multiplying matrices and how to apply them step by step. We will cover the essential conditions, perform a worked example, and reflect on its real-world use. A matrix is simply a rectangular grid of numbers organized into rows and columns. Multiplying matrices helps us combine and transform data in powerful ways, like in computer graphics or economics. First, we need to check if matrices can be multiplied. The number of columns in the first matrix must exactly match the number of rows in the second matrix. If they match, the resulting matrix will have the number of rows from the first matrix and the number of columns from the second. Now, let's look at the multiplication process itself, which involves rows meeting columns. To find an element in the new matrix, you take a row from the first matrix and a column from the second matrix. You will multiply the first number in the chosen row by the first number in the chosen column. Then, multiply the second number in the row by the second number in the column. Continue this for all corresponding pairs of numbers in that row and column. Finally, add all these products together. This sum is one element in your new matrix. For example, let's multiply a 2 by 2 matrix A by another 2 by 2 matrix B. Matrix A has rows 1, 2, and 3, 4. Matrix B has columns 5, 7, and 6, 8. To get the top left element of our result, we take row 1 of A, 1, 2, and column 1 of B, 5, 7. We calculate 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7, which is 5 plus 14, making 19. We place 19 in the top left position of our new matrix. We repeat this row by column process for every position in the new matrix. For the top right element, we multiply row 1 of A by column 2 of B. 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8 equals 6 plus 16, which is 22. This method is repeated until all elements of the new matrix are found. Let's think about a real-world use. Imagine you have a matrix of product quantities purchased by several customers. Then, you have another matrix with the price of each product. Multiplying these matrices will quickly give you the total cost for each customer. Consider our example. If the numbers in matrix are represented quantities and matrix B prices, how does 19 show what was combined? We have learned that matrix multiplication requires specific dimension matching. You combine rows from the first matrix with columns from the second, multiplying corresponding elements and adding the products. This process is a powerful tool for efficiently combining and transforming structured data in many applications. Keep practicing these steps to unlock more complex mathematical problems and real-world scenarios. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.